Okay, so today you're going to learn how to solve a problem by making a table. At the school store, Nicholas can buy a pencil for 3 cents. Nicholas has 22 cents. We're going to show how many pencils Nicholas can buy with his money. So what is something we know in this problem? We know, 1, Nicholas can buy a pencil for 3 cents, and we know that Nicholas has 22 cents, okay? And it's asking us to show, using a table, how many pencils Nicholas can buy with his money. So I've drawn out a table for us with a number of pencils and the cost. So at the top I have 1 pencil at the cost of 3 cents, 2 pencils, cost is 6 cents. So if we had 3 pencils, how much would that cost? Yes, it would cost 9 cents. So we write 9 cents there. So if we had 4 pencils, how much would that cost? Get ready? Yes, 12 cents. All right, you can see we are adding 3 each time we go. So if we wanted to know how much money, how many pencils he could buy with this money, we're going to have to complete our chart. So let's continue. So if he had 5 pencils, how much money would that cost? Get ready. That's 15 cents. 6 would cost how much? Get ready. 18 cents. You're doing great. We already know how to count by threes. We've been practicing this with our skip counting for quite a while. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Let's go ahead and go to 7. How much would that cost? Get ready. 21 cents. Good. So let's go ahead and do 8. Get ready. 24 cents. I think we can stop there because how much money did Nicholas have? Nicholas had 22 cents. Can he buy 8 pencils? I don't think so. So how many coins, or I'm sorry, how many pencils can he buy with his money? He can buy 7 pencils. So another way we could look at this is if we knew we had 7 pencils times 3 cents a pencil equals 21.